New airline rules and bans starting May 2026 you must know. Hey travelers, welcome back to the channel. Summer 2026 is here, and airlines plus TSA are rolling out major new rules, stricter enforcement, and some outright bans that could ruin your trip or hit your wallet hard. From carry-on crackdowns to ID fees and more, here are the 10 biggest changes you need to know right now. Let's dive in. Point 1. Strict Real ID enforcement as of May 2025. Full swing in 2026. TSA requires a Real ID compliant license or passport for all domestic flights. No more old state IDs. Forgot yours? Pay a new $45 confirm ID fee starting February 2026 for temporary verification. Get it sorted before your trip. Point 2. Tougher carry-on bag enforcement. Airlines are done with the honor system. Starting 2026, expect automated bag sizers at gates. Standard limit remains approximately 22 by 14 by 9 inches, including handles, wheels. Too big? Automatic gate check plus fees up to $65. Measure your bag before you fly. Point 3. Southwest's big changes hit hard. Assigned seating and numbered boarding fully begin January 2026. No more free checked bags on basic fares. First bag now $1.35. Plus size passengers must buy a second seat up front. The Southwest you knew is changing fast. Point 4. Power bank and amp. Lithium battery crackdown. Stricter FAA and airline enforcement on portable chargers. Must be under 100 watt-hours, carried in carry-on, not checked, and often can't be used onboard on many international carriers. Over-limit batteries face bans or confiscation in 2026. Point 5. Headphone mandate and amp. Behavior bans. United and others now require headphones for all audio, video. No more speakerphone or loud videos. Violation can lead to removal from the flight and potential ban. Airlines are cracking down on disturbances after rising incidents. Point 6. Higher baggage fees across the board. Most major airlines raised checked bag fees again in 2026. Expect $35 minus $45 plus for the first bag on many fares. Basic economy gets hit hardest with zero flexibility. Pack light or pay up. Point 7. New EU entry systems, ETIAS and AMP. EES, for Europe travel. ETIAS authorization, like ESTA, becomes mandatory, plus the entry-exit system, EES, for biometric checks. Delays at borders likely in summer 2026. Apply early. Point 8. Passenger rights summary requirement. New rule effective around May 2026 requires airlines to post a clear one-page summary of your rights, refunds, delays, baggage, on their websites. Easier to know when you can demand compensation. Point 9. Basic economy restrictions tighten. American and others further limit elites on basic economy. No free seat selection or upgrades in many cases starting 2026. Fewer miles, points earned. Avoid if you value flexibility. Point 10. Shoes on security and AMP. Tech upgrades. TSA has largely ended the shoes off policy for most travelers. More biometric, touchless ID options at checkpoints. Great for speed, but privacy-conscious travelers should review opt-in settings. 2026 travel is more expensive and rule-heavy than ever. Preparation is everything. Which change worries you most? Drop it in the comments, hit like if you're traveling soon, and subscribe for more updates. Safe flights and see you next time.